I'm Amy. Welcome to Xianxu Bamboo the factory.
We are a factory direct supplier specializing in bamboo household storage, kitchenware, tableware, and eco-friendly home decor. With years of manufacturing experience, we provide OEM and ODM services, FSC-certified products, competitive pricing, and reliable quality. Contact us for wholesale inquiries, custom orders, or free quotes. We look forward to working with you.